Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Leilani Love, and today I'm going to be doing this install with glueless products, meaning a glueless install, meaning I'm just using this liquid gold gel. Okay, this product is what I like to call the edge saver. So it's safe for skin, it's safe for your to put on your hair, your edges. You can hold your edges down with it, all that. Okay, so before we even get into it, make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button so you can be down with the love squad. Okay, and share this with people that need glueless products to install their wigs with. Okay, because it's on it. I ain't gonna pull up here because I don't want to mess up my buns. It ain't going nowhere. Y'all ain't see it. Okay guys, so like I said, I'm going to be doing my install with Bold Hold Liquid Gold. That's what I use to lay down my cap. It's like a liquidy gel consistency and it gets really hard, but I definitely love this product. So this is the unit I'm going to be wearing today. This is Billy. So to tint my lace, I'm going to be using the Ebin New York tinted lace spray. This is the color medium brown. It's like an aerosol spray and you just spray it on the inside. That's how it looks. And you can make it as intense as you want to by spraying it over and over, but it looks like it's okay for now. And then at the end, I'll go in with a different lace spray and use a brush and dab it on the outside. But yes, let's get that liquid gold going. You only need like a few drops, like it doesn't take a lot. I just got a little drop on my finger and I'm just gonna let it glide across my forehead. And it's best to work in small sections when you're using this. You don't want to keep going over the same part multiple times. You just kind of glide it on, put the lace in, and then you're going to blow dry it. One thing I love about the liquid gold is that it's safe for skin. Like a lot of gotta be stuff has alcohol in it. Even the Ebin hairspray is an aerosol, so you know it has alcohol in it. This product doesn't have alcohol. My skin is like super sensitive. I get bumps like on my forehead when I use certain products for my lace. So this just kind of helps if you have like sensitive skin. I definitely recommend this product. And you can even use it to lay down your cap, and you can use it to lay down your edges, which is like, you know, it saves me from having so many products when I'm, you know, traveling to do hair or whatever, or when I'm just doing my own hair. I only need this. And it wipes off with water. So, for instance, if you get it on your forehead and you're like, oh, I got some on my forehead, I need to wipe it off. It comes off with water, guys. This is a temporary hold. It's not meant to be on for weeks or months. It's a temporary hold. And it works wonders. So now before I tie this lace down, I'm going to go in and separate my baby hair. I made my lace a little bit too dark, but it's going to be fine because it's going to be covered with the baby hair. You won't even see that, but we about to finesse. Okay, I'm going to tie this down for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to go, you know, put my lashes on, come back, take this off, and then our install will be almost complete. I want my buns to be a little bit chunkier, so I'm gonna add some braiding hair, because you know that's not given. If I was doing like a crinkle style, that would, like, this would be fine, but nah, I need to put a little more hair on there. All right, so now we about to get into these baby hairs, because Lord knows we need them. So I'm just gonna take a little scissor before I curl them and just cut them short. I could probably go a little bit shorter. You probably only need like an inch worth of baby hair, but you know, it's better to start longer and cut them later than to cut too much and then you be like, dang, it's way too short. But yeah, I'm just taking my pencil flat iron, and it's not on. Gonna take my pencil flat iron and just curl those bad boys and, you know, mold them with the mousse and then keep it moving. Okay guys, so for our edges or baby hair, we're going to be using the Flawless Curls Mousse by Tresemme. You just shake it up a little bit. It's a foam, so I like to spray a little bit on the back of my hand and either dip the toothbrush in there or take your fingers and just dab it on the baby hair and then brush it out. So you just want to kind of smooth it and mold the hair how you want it to be. And because we curled it, it makes it a little bit easier. So you're just gonna, you know, just keep brushing and molding until you get it the shape that you want it to be. So once I have my baby hair laid down, I like to go in with a black wrap strip and just tie it up. Yes, so I just hope you guys are feeling my little space bun look with the wavy hair in the back. Would you actually believe this unit? It's actually a return unit. I sent it to somebody and they returned it. They said it was too thin. So, you know, I had to finesse it. Just so you guys know, if you get a 14 or 16 inch wig and it's 150 density, it's gonna be a natural density. Anything that's like right here is not gonna be something, I don't know. You just have to know how to style wigs. I guess I'm just used to wigs and I kind of know how to just finesse and what to do with them. But yeah, no shade or anything. But I hope you guys enjoy this look. I'm feeling it. I'm only gonna have it on for like a day or so, but yes, I had to throw her on so I could take pictures for Instagram. Hope you guys love the video. Hope you love this look, because I do. It goes with my nails. Yeah, I did my own nails. Yes. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Till next time, peace and love.